Thinking about trying GoHighLevel? Right now, they're running a special Summer of AI promotion that gives you 50% off your first 3 months of GoHighLevel, plus access to free AI tools this summer. That means Starter Plan, $97 to $48.50 month. Unlimited Plan, $297 to $148.50 month. Pro Plan, $497 to $248.50 month. You'll still get access to GoHighLevel CRM, funnels, email marketing, automation, AI tools, websites, calendars, and more. If you've been thinking about switching from multiple tools to one platform, this is a great opportunity to get started at a much lower cost. The offer is only available until June 7, so if you're planning to use GoHighLevel, now is a great time to save some money. But if you missed the deadline, don't worry. You can still start with the GoHighLevel Bootcamp offer, which gives you a 30-day free trial instead of the standard 14 days. Plus, you'll get live coaching, setup guidance, and bonus resources to help you get started faster. Check the links in the description for both offers.